tell you a story about why I never simply take anyone's word about an insurance policy. A few years ago, I was in the beginning stages of working with a really nice retired couple. As we sat at their kitchen table surrounded by files full of financial papers, I asked a simple question. Do you have any life insurance policies? They said, "Oh, we have one, but it's fine. We don't need to waste any time reviewing it." They sounded so certain, I had to ask, how could they be so sure that the policy was fine? Well, they told me that about a year ago, they thought the policy might have some problems. So they took the policy to their agent and had solved the problem. When I asked how, they said the agent simply had them increase their premium. Well, I told them that the policy still needed proper review because they could still be in the dark. They asked me, how can we pay our premiums on time, read the statements, talk to our agent, and still be in the dark? Well, I explained that without a current in-force illustration, we just can't be sure of anything. Their in-force illustration clearly showed that the policy was still in trouble, even with them paying extra premiums. The best case scenario only gave them 4 more years of coverage. The worst case was that if interest rates happened to only change slightly, this policy would lapse immediately. They faced a 100% loss and were totally unaware of it before now. Shocked, they went back to the original agent and showed them the in-force illustration. Now, looking at the in-force illustration, the agent agreed that this policy was in serious danger of lapsing. If the policy lapsed, they would have lost everything they had paid into it over decades of paying premiums. This was clearly not a waste of time. Their policy could lapse any day. Their premiums might go up again. They faced losing everything they had put into this policy. They were worried about this because they were older and had some serious health concerns now. They had a lot of reasons to worry. They felt like it was already too late for them. We had to act fast. We put our team to work on this immediately, and we found something. Even with them being older and taking into consideration the health issues, we could get coverage for both of them. This wasn't a perfect fix for them because of how much time the policy had gone without a proper review. However, we were able to not only extend the length of time of their coverage, but actually lowered their monthly premiums in the process. They were so relieved and grateful we had done this for them. We've developed a simple one-page form that will serve as your request. We will monitor the progress of your request and keep you informed along the way. Once we receive your illustration, we will use our considerable knowledge and experience as we decipher it line by line. Then we'll sit down with you and explain everything that we find. We answer 4 questions for you. Is your policy in any danger? Is the amount of benefit what you expected? Is the benefit going where you expected? We review your beneficiaries and titling. And 4, is your premium dollar working as hard as it can for you? Because we value our referral relationships so much, and you were referred to us, we don't charge you for this review. Just ask me or the person that has referred you how to get started.